everybody! I wanted to show you how to use the PALFISH Reading app. So from your home screen, you're going to click on that blue one with the 2 goldfish that's called PALFISH Read, skip the ad, and you'll click in the upper right hand corner. This will bring you to a large selection of books. Now you'll notice that they seem to be organized alphabetically, however, look at all the different titles and doesn't quite seem to be alphabetical. I was even able to find the book Everyone Poops. I think it was under the letter J. It made me laugh so hard. Just the book itself, not the mistake. So you see there's lots of different ones you can choose from. Sometimes I do find titles I recognize, like Madeline or Everyone Poops. Most of them, I don't quite recognize these, although I can get the gist. So let's see, let's scroll through until we find one that we like. Hey! Things I Like. Why not that one? Come on, go back. There we go. So once you find a book you like, you will click on the cover. Now you can either listen to recordings made previously by other teachers.
Things I like. Dream it, believe it, see it.
Or you can choose to record it yourself. So again, in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a listening option where you'll listen to the previous recording, but once you hit that microphone, you'll record your own. So you see, it just clicked up because I recorded my own version. Then as soon as you're ready, you can either check your score on the right, Things I Like, or you can turn the page. So now I don't listen to the example, I just record my own. There we go. That little fish means that it's verifying what you've read. Doesn't seem to be text there. I turn the page. I read again. ... So let's see, this book has 22 pages. I'm going to advance through the entire book. I'm going to skip over that because otherwise it's not very entertaining as a video, so give me 1 second. Okay, so we're at page 21 out of 22. I read and record, and I move on to the last page. No text. Alright, the end. So now you can choose to publish this if you like. It's going to publish it to a WeChat account. WeChat is like a Chinese instant messaging, Instagram, all of the things in one. Some teachers have that, some don't. Once I publish that, I earn some coins. You can choose to read another book if you like, or you can go redeem those coins. Now I'll be honest, it's kind of pointless in my opinion, but it is a bit cute what you can do with the coins. Click on the bottom off that main screen, go to Achievements, and you can shop for fish. You can have your own little pal fishies. So let's see, this guy is way too expensive. I have 1,380 coins. I'm squinting at my camera screen. Oh good, okay, 50. This guy is nice and affordable. Let's see what he looks like. I'm taking a screenshot because I'm so happy because, yes, it is like a Patrick Star. Awesome. So now, when you go back to your main menu, you can see the little fishies come out. So all these little guys I purchased by reading books, and needless to say, I'm very proud. Now, obviously, any responsible adult can go out and get real fish of their own if they would like to adopt them. That is not the point of that reading app. So let me show you what I really use it for. As soon as you read a book, it's published to your moments. Now remember, when students follow you, they get a notification every time you have a moment. So as you can see, I like to update my moments with different videos, maybe some pictures, but also read lots of books. After all, if we hope to foster a love of reading in children, we've got to show that we love to read too. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you liked my video, please hit subscribe. I have new ones every single week. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye!